Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Sports Direct promo codes in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. So in the first step, you will have to come to the official website of sportsdirect.com, where you can find all of the latest promo codes and the deals that are currently working. As you can see that you can see this sales banner where you can get up to 70% off on your favorite items. So you can explore their official website and try to find some discounts from here. Now if you are not able to find that over here, not to worry, you will have to try the second method, in which you just have to open a new tab and search for Sports Direct promo codes 2025. Now after searching for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that are providing you bunch of different promo codes. Like this one is giving you 70% off, the other one is giving you 20% off. So you need to open all of these websites one by one in a new tab, and then you just have to hop on to these websites in order to check what deals and offers they are actually giving you. So this is groupon.ie website where you can find a bunch of different coupon codes. So you need to click on the get deal option in whichever deal you are interested, and then it will give you the instructions of in order to grab that deal. And here you can read it out by clicking on the show terms option. So make sure that you meet these criteria. After that, you just have to simply go to another website and try to find coupon codes from here. Now once you find the legit coupon codes, you just have to simply use that at the time of checkout on sportsdirect.com, and this is how you can actually find promo codes for Sports Direct in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.